In this video, you will get to know why do chiropractors crack your back? Chiropractic treatment is a non-surgical way of relieving pain. This treatment has been questioned because chiropractors generally crack your back, producing a popping sound from our bodies. Well, we will reveal the science behind these cracking of backs and how chiropractors do it. The reason to crack your back may be multiple. But essentially the chiropractor cracks your back to move your spine beyond its regular motion so that it creates more movement and free motion. This helps to relieve the discomfort that you previously have been feeling. Okay, but what is that popping sound of? There are multiple theories as to why the popping or the cracking sound is produced when pressure is applied to our joints. But research says that there exists a fluid surrounding each of our facet joints, called the synovial fluid. This fluid acts as a lubricator to the joints and allows smooth movements between them. A theory on crepitus suggests that when pressure is applied to the joints, the air pressure present in the joints is suddenly altered. This results in a sudden collapse of an air cavity in the synovial fluid that leads to a popping sound. How do chiropractors crack your back? Before starting any treatment or considering cracking your back or other joints, the chiropractor first diagnoses your condition and figures out the origin of the pain. After that, based on the severity of the pain and the condition of the affected area, the chiropractor determines whether or not cracking would be the right option to do it. During the back cracking, the chiropractor asks the patient to lie on their side and curl the upper leg inward. Then the chiropractor's one hand supports the shoulder and the other is placed below the lower back. Once the ideal position is maintained, the patient is asked to relax their body, and then the chiropractor applies sudden pressure which leads to the loosening of the tension between the joints. Crack. Crack. That's exactly when the joint is popped and you hear a popping sound. Once the joint is popped, the synovial fluid flows in to refill the gap. What happens after back cracking? While cracking the back releases pressure, it also causes a release of endorphins in the area that was treated. Endorphins are the chemicals that manage the pain of our body. These are released by the pituitary glands. The release of these endorphins gives out a satisfying and relieving feeling when a joint is cracked. Is it okay to crack your back? Yes, it is absolutely fine to crack your back until it is carried out by skilled chiropractors. And no, cracking back won't hurt you. It will improve your motion and functionality, thus relieving your pain. Can back cracking be done at home? Some people carry out the back cracking procedure at home on their own. But this is pretty unsafe. Skilled chiropractors themselves don't recommend self-back cracking, and they take the help of their colleagues to crack their own backs. So why would you do it alone? Moreover, there are certain body conditions when back cracking is not allowed. Also, an incorrect form of self-back cracking can cause disc herniations. So consulting a chiropractor is the first step to understanding which chiropractic adjustments are suitable for you. Visit CRM Wellness today and get best chiropractor service in Los Angeles. Start your journey towards healing your pain. Reach us at 213-984-4575.